Assalamu alaikum one class. I am your science teacher. Today we are going to start our lecture number 3. The topics are unit number 7 plants, unit number 8 materials, unit number 9 solids and liquids. In this video you will learn about plants and its parts, natural and man-made materials, solids and liquids. Here we will discuss reading of each lesson, understand the meanings of difficult words, solution of exercise. Start unit number 7 plants. We will start our unit number 7 plants. Students, start reading. Plants are living things. They breathe, feed, grow and die. To grow well, plants need good soil, sunlight, air and water. Now come to the next page. Plants give us food. Plants give us food. Look at these pictures. Plants give us fruit and vegetables. Now come to the next page. Some plants grow from seeds. Some plants grow from seeds. This is how a seed grows into a plant. Look at this picture. The seed is buried in the soil. It opens. The root begins to grow down. The shoot grows up. The roots and stem grow stronger. The roots are under the ground. The roots suck water from the soil. Now come to the next page. Parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. Plants have 4 main parts. Number 1 roots. Number 2 stems. Number 3 leaves. Number 4 flowers. Look at this picture. Students, look at this picture. Parts of a plant. First one is flower, next stem, next leaf, last roots. Now we will solve the exercise of this unit. Answer these questions. Question number 1. What are plants? Answer. Plants are living things. They breathe, feed, grow and die. Question number 2. How do the plants grow? Answer. Plants grow from seeds. Plants grow from seeds. Question number 3. How many parts does a plant have? Answer. A plant has 4 main parts: roots, stem, leaf and flower. Now come to the next question. What does a plant need to grow well? Students, tell me, what does a plant need to grow well? Number 1 air, number 2 water, number 3 sunlight, number 4 good soil. Next question. What will happen if you plant a seed, keep it in a dark corner and do not water it? What will happen, students? Tell me. Yes, it will not grow. It will not grow. Now we will start our next unit. Unit number 8 materials. Unit number 8 materials. Start reading. Look around you. All the things you use are made of different materials. Look at this picture. Shirt, book, bat, bottle, tire. All of these things are made of different material. Materials are of 2 kinds. Materials are of 2 kinds. Number 1 natural materials. Number 2 man-made materials. First we will discuss natural materials. The materials which come from plants, animals or from under the ground are called natural materials. The things below are made of natural materials. Look at this picture. Oil, stone, necklace, shoes, sweater, all these things are made of natural materials. All these things are made of natural materials. Number next, man-made materials. The materials which have been made by people are called man-made materials. The things below are made of man-made materials. Look at this picture. Cement, glasses, watch, bucket, all these things are made of man-made materials. Now we will solve the exercise of this unit. Answer these questions. Answer these questions. What are all the things made of? What are all the things made of? Yes, all the things are made of different materials. Question number next. Name two kinds of materials. Name two kinds of materials. Answer. Number 1, natural materials. Number 2, man-made materials. Question number next. Fill in the table below. Tell me, students, things made from natural materials and things made from man-made materials. First, we discuss things made from natural materials. Now, tell me some things made from natural materials. Yes, necklace, shoes, stone, oil. And things made from man-made materials. Students, tell me things made from man-made materials. Yes, cement, glasses, watch, bucket. Very good. Now come to the next question. Some materials are soft and some are hard. Draw a green circle around those which are made of soft materials and a red circle around those which are made of hard materials. Look at this picture. Table is made of hard material. Put a red circle around the table. Brick is made of hard material. Put a red circle around the brick. Flower is made of soft material. Put a green circle around the flower. Pillow is also made of soft material. Put a green circle around the pillow. Question number next. Some materials like plastic are waterproof and water does not soak into them. Some materials like cloth, paper and wool are not waterproof and get wet. Next to each picture below, mark tick if the material is waterproof and cross if it is not. Now students, tell me, shopping bag, is it waterproof or not? Yes, put a tick on it. Towel is waterproof or not? Yes, cross, put a cross on towel. Muffler is waterproof or not? Yes, put a cross on it. It is not waterproof. Cloth is waterproof or not? Yes, not. Put a cross on it. Shoes are made of plastic, na? Yes. Put a tick on it. It is waterproof. Now we will start our next unit. Unit number 9, solids and liquids. Our next unit is solids and liquids. The things that we use or see around us are made of different materials. Some of these materials are solids and some are liquids. Here are some solids. Students, tell me, what are solids? Hard things are called solids. What are solids? Hard things are called solids. Look at this picture. This is picture of hard materials, solid materials. House, tree, guitar and toys. These are solids. Here are some liquids. Liquid mean flowing things. Flowing things are called liquids. Flowing things are called liquids. Look at these pictures. Water, milk, coke and honey. These are liquids. These are liquids. Now come to the next page. Some solids can be changed into liquids. When ice cubes are warmed, they will melt and turn into water. Ice cream will melt when taken out of the freezer. It will become soft and milky. Now we will solve the exercise of this unit. Answer these questions. Question number 1. What are solids? Answer. Hard things are called solids. Hard things are called solids. Question number 2. What are liquids? Answer. Flowing things are called liquids. Question number next. Tick those solids which can be changed into liquids. Students, put a tick on those solids which can be changed into liquids. Butter, tick. Bread, ice cube, tick. Chocolate bar, tick. Complete your book work and do practice on rough copies. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.